Paper airplanes. We just showed you a quick way to make a good one, and now I'm going to talk to you about why paper airplanes. Why would an adult choose to make one of these, or a kid? When you're in school or class, obviously you're not always keeping attention on the bore of the professor or the teacher. Some kids do spit wads. Some kids take pins and make things to shoot out. Some sort of shooting device, some sort of throwing device. Paper balls. It's fairly simple, but for someone who's looking for a little more challenging thing, paper airplanes are a good way to waste paper and to fill your time when you're not paying attention to the teacher. The next important thing to remember is paper selection. If you're in school, lined loose leaf paper, it works fine. Printer paper like this works fine. But for the best flying ability, thicker paper like this, construction paper or magazine paper, you can rip out a sheet, kind of glossy or slick paper, works really well. The weight, for some reason, the heaviness of the paper, when you fold it, makes it fly a little bit better than this. I don't know why that is, and if this is all you have, then use that. But this works well to make a good, sharp, creased, good-looking plane.